Yeah. We had a Cumberland County Correctional, Juvenile Correction. Walk around the...
How do they know even if you are flying over?
Right. Especially if you can do it from way up yonder somewhere. If my feet will let me.
Too bad you can't sweat your feet off.
I know.
Your cell phone will not come in the building. You're gonna go in that locker. The only way you take that phone in there is if the manager requests it. All right. Yes, sir.
I'm doing a story on the drones.
You gotta turn that camera off.
Alright.
You have to turn that camera off.
What did you say?
Recording devices can't come into our
I'm
facility.
not going in.
You have to turn the recording devices off. They cannot come in our building.
Okay.
Who was the
Okay.
You're pointing this way,
Chief
trying to
General?
remove the recording devices out of our facility and back into your vehicle.
I didn't see a no filming sign.
It's actually right there. No electronic devices are allowed in our building. You have to step inside.
Is there someone that we could talk to about the drone sign on the outside? I'll
I'll
wait
have someone
outside.
upstairs, but right now you guys have to step on the other side.
I'll wait outside. So they will come?
I'm sorry.
So they will come?
I will talk to
Try.
someone about the recording devices because they can't come into the facility.
I don't want to come in, I just want to speak to someone outside the door about the drone law. Is that
Is his
okay?
camera still on, sir?
What?
Is his camera still on, sir?
Is your camera still on?
Yeah.
He has to remove it.
Oh, yeah, we're gonna
Actually,
walk
illegal to
outside.
record someone without their permission. So he has to step outside.
We're going to, and I'll step outside too. So, you'll send somebody out to us?
Did you guys need assistance with something? Come on, Ingrid.
I'm going to
You said,
I'm going to put money in the machine.
Okay, put your pocketbook on the scanner. Guys, okay?
Now, I got two money before we put them in there.
No, you don't put your pocketbook on the scanner.
This is a busy place.
Yeah, right.
We redid it since I've been in here.
You go ahead and go in front of me.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, they used to have a door right there, you go right through.
Yeah.
You remember that?
Security stuff, man, is just crazy.
Yeah.
I mean, I understand security, but overkill, whew, man.
As long as you don't go past there, it shouldn't be a problem.
Yeah, I mean, this is like the lobby,
This is-
the entranceway, and we are allowed to.
Journalists or something?
We just independent journalists, yeah. But is she getting somebody to talk to you or no?
I think so.
All right, ma'am, how can I help you?
Yes, I need to, I guess, talk with the magistrate. Magistrate.
There's air coming down right here. It feels pretty good.
You got that big slit right there.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
I think she's talking to somebody now for us.
That's cool.
That's why she was watching me. She was watching her purse. It was still sitting there.
Right, right. As long as we don't try to go in past this point, it shouldn't be no big deal.
Y'all got something special going on back there?
We want to ask them about the drone laws.
Yeah, they got a sign on the fence that said we can't fly a drone under 200 feet
above the jail,
above the jail, so,
so you can fly at 251.
yeah.
And that's what I wanna ask, why is.
Go ahead.
how can
Yeah,
they tell
that's
us
what they say. How you doing, guys? All right, good, good.
All right, now I can take care of the
Okay, I
form.
need to see a magistrate.
Yes, ma'am, do you have any electronic devices, tobacco products,
I'm
shop
sure
objects
there
on you? All right, just put your keys in there.
Probably.
Your money in your pocket. Put your keys in there and step through the scanner.
Yeah, all right, I'm gonna step outside.
We're gonna wait outside. We're gonna wait right out there. She said that's good.
Yep. Ah.
That's a crazy law. It don't make any sense, you know, why didn't they make it 400 foot, you know? Because you can't fly at about 400 foot on the drone.
Sheriff, like that.
Thanks.
So you know where Sheriff's Department's at?
The law enforcement center is
Yep.
what she said. Where's that at? It's right over there. She pointed over that way somewhere.
You know, courthouse?
Yep.
Right beside the courthouse.
All right.
To the right of the courthouse.
Thank you.
Yep. Have a good day, man.
Yep.